We'll take you outside on this Aloha Friday. Nice sunset shaping up out there, and we're looking at pretty good conditions heading into our Aloha Friday night. Still some big surf to talk about and a rainmaker that could be on the way late next week. For now, though, 79 degrees. Trades returned, coming in at 6. Rainfall for the Big Island today. We'll track some of those showers. You can see hit or miss rain down through the Kau district. We saw some rain down through Pahala. Some of these showers starting to break up now, but earlier had some rain even into Hilo. Elsewhere, as we expand on out, not as much rain for the Kona side. Head to Maui County, windward showers here. Molokai, Lanai, relatively dry. Here in Oahu, had a couple of Mauka showers. That's about all. And at least the radar not showing much out over towards Kauai. As for our winds this weekend, east winds coming in 10 to 15, maybe up to 20. So trade winds will be around. High pressure building back in, allowing for those trades. So for the weekend, take a look at our next weather maker. For now, high pressure is what we'll see, and that means we'll have our trade winds and just a few isolated showers. Best chance of rain will be windward sections of the Big Island. Elsewhere, though, not much rain. So just a couple of isolated showers possible. Both Saturday and Sunday should be a nice weekend. East winds 10 to 15. Heading into next week, we'll keep those trades around through about midweek. And as we head into Thursday, Friday, into the weekend, our next weather maker takes shape. We have two fronts that could approach, and they could bring clouds and scattered rains. This is by no means a definite. Sometimes these fronts stall out to the west. We've had that happen over the past few weeks, but our model is pretty consistent in showing a front approaching. At the very least, that's going to make our winds light, and it could bring clouds and scattered showers Thursday, Friday, possibly even into the weekend. So we'll keep an eye on this as that next system does approach. For now, though, trades around and surf is up. We're looking at North Shores 8 to 14, 6 to 10 for west. High surf advisories, both north and west facing shores. East and south, 1 to 3 for east, 2 to 4 for south. And we've got that coastal flood statement. High tides continue to be large. King tide at 5:15 tomorrow morning. Into the weekend, highs in the middle 80s, lows into the lower 70s. East winds 10 to 20 for Saturday, 10 to 15 for Sunday. Keep those winds around. And then by Wednesday, we see more of a southwesterly wind out ahead of that front. And if that front does make it as far east as the model shows, could bring some scattered showers Thursday, Friday into our upcoming next weekend. So a little bit more active weather possible there. For now, though, looking pretty good